I'm making a rare exception today because this is not neon technology, but I think you will forgive me because it's still interesting and really cool. It's not LED, of course. You know, over here in the neon corner we don't really like LEDs, especially not when they are stealing the name neon for their product. No, this is fiber optics. I think it's from the 90s, and all those little dots are the endpoints of light transmitting fibers, and all the other ends will be bundled in front of a light source, and there will most likely be a rotating disc in front of the light source that does all the color change and the sparkling animation. And of course, if I can open it up without destroying it, then I'll open it up and show you what's inside. We have a US patent number and a Made in Taiwan label and a CE mark, and it was distributed through Switzerland. Oh, they also made neons, interesting. And it has a kind of a company logo in those cooling openings that says lighting with flowers. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I'm really excited. Oh wow, that's cool. It's a drum that rotates, and there is a halogen lamp, 12 volts, 10 watts. And well, all those glass fibers cannot be arranged randomly. They are all sorted so that, for example, the Coca Cola text that we saw changes its color from left to right, and so it's a very intricate job to arrange all these wires in the right sequence. There's a fan up here that's not really doing anything, just moving the air around in the box. And also, interestingly, there's a bunch of unused fibers here. So maybe this fiber set is used for different signs. And we have a transformer that looks quite trustworthy. It has a few test marks and a thermal switch. And interestingly, it's a 60 VA, 60 watt transformer, but we only have a 10 watt lamp, so it could use a brighter lamp, but sadly there is no label on the box that says how much is the maximum power of the lamp. And I'm not sure if it's thermally okay for the box and for the plastic disc to put a 20 or 35 or 50 watt lamp inside, but I might give it a try with a thermal camera. All the fibers are just cut off here and really just ending in this block. And you can see that there is a print on the inside of the board that has the outer theme and has some pointers giving you the direction of how to put in all the fibers.